Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here, and hit the subscribe button so you can be the one. Today I'm bringing you the latest news about a very beautiful singer from the famous choir ambassadors who is preparing to get married this month. Uwase Natasha is one of the prominent singers and ambassadors of Christ Choir, a highly respected Rwandan gospel music group known for its worship and praise songs. She became well known due to her beautiful voice and exceptional singing skills. She joined Ambassadors after graduating from their junior choir. Beyond being a singer, Natasha is a devoted member of the Seventh-day Adventist Church. In 2023, she graduated from African Leadership University, where she studied leadership and management. Musically, Natasha has released two well-known songs. Akira Ishimwe received the praise, and Azakomeza Kuba Hafi, he will continue to be close, the latter being her most recent release. In her personal life, Natasha is set to marry her beloved fiancé Thomas, with their wedding planned for May 18, 2025. The news of her marriage has delighted her friends and gospel music fans who have sent her heartfelt congratulations. Natasha is the daughter of Muvunyi Leben, the president of Ambassadors of Christ Choir. Aside from singing in Ambassadors, she's also one of the 7 female vocalists in Holy Music Ministry, a group founded in late 2021 by producer Ariel Sando. The Ambassadors of Christ Choir, where she sings, is the Seventh-day Adventist choir that has gained immense popularity in Rwanda and beyond for their uplifting gospel songs. Thank you all for being with me. Don't leave without subscribing so we can continue sharing amazing discussions every day. Let's stay connected.